Hi friends, in this video we shall learn how to politely deny a customer or manager mandated request. In any company, people like people who provides positive response. Most of the time we used to react immediately and create the situation which might be unfavorable and create conflicts. We will learn by looking at a scenario here. Manager Joseph is talking to his employee. Hey John, we need to complete this work by this weekend. I understand that it would take more time, but you would need to stretch yourself as this ticket should go to testing next week and we don't have much time. John. John also aware about this work would take 2 weeks of time. He basically has two options. One to be being straightforward and telling his manager upfront that as you know that this work is complex and it would take 2 weeks of time and you are asking me to complete by this weekend. I had other personal plans as well. You think that I don't have family or what? This conversation leads to conflict and will make Joseph, the manager, get annoyed. Thereby, John will lose his reputation. In fact, John can also respond in the below way which would avoid conflict. Refuse this request in a polite way. Let's see John's response. Yes, Joseph, we would complete this work by this weekend, but I need more resources to assist in this task to meet the deadline. In this reply, he avoids conflict. He's showing his positive attitude. He is ready to work and complete the task, but unfortunately, due to lack of resources, he would not be able to complete, or in turn, he needs more resources to complete this work. If the manager is able to provide additional resources, work will be splitted and can be completed this week. Both will attain win-win situation. We shall look into other response by John. Yes, Joseph, we would complete this work by weekend. As I understand, testing to be started from next week. But I saw some email related to network outage in the weekend, and if that is rectified, then I would be able to work and complete. Mostly, straightforward behavior might not work in this scenario, unless otherwise your manager is considerate. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and share this video if you really feel this information is useful to you.